I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cool Shopify store. First, let's get your foundation right. Begin by choosing a memorable store name and securing a unique domain that reflects your brand. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and goals, perhaps starting with a basic plan for $29 per month. Then, install a visually appealing and responsive theme, ensuring it looks great on all devices. Finally, configure essential store settings, including your currency, shipping zones, and payment providers, to prepare for sales. Now, let's make your products shine. Always use high-quality images and videos, perhaps 3 to 5 per product, to give customers a clear view. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features, making them feel irresistible. Organize your offerings into clear, intuitive collections, allowing customers to find exactly what they need in just a few clicks. Finally, integrate customer reviews and ratings. Positive feedback can increase conversion rates by over 20%. A great user experience keeps customers coming back. Ensure your store is fully mobile-friendly and loads within 2 to 3 seconds, as slow speeds deter shoppers. Simplify navigation with clear menus and an effective search bar, helping visitors find items effortlessly. Offer multiple secure payment options, including popular choices like PayPal and credit cards, to cater to diverse preferences. Lastly, provide excellent customer support and transparent return policies, building confidence and loyalty. Finally, let's get customers to your amazing store. Utilize social media marketing, posting consistently perhaps 3 to 5 times a week, to engage new audiences. Implement email marketing for promotions, updates, and abandoned cart recovery, which can reclaim up to 15% of lost sales. Optimize your store for search engines, using relevant keywords to improve organic visibility. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google to reach specific demographics effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.